All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So overnight happened between 2 days. Yeah, overnight. I stayed there overnight. It happened overnight. They were doing it overnight. Yeah. It worked overnight. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, definitely. Yeah. We could have been there overnight. Yeah. We stayed there overnight in a hotel. How cool is that? Yeah, definitely. Have you ever stayed overnight in a field? Well, I have slept overnight in a car. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? I am staying overnight in a nice hotel. Yeah. How cool is that? They can only stay overnight and will leave in the morning. Oops. In the morning. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? She should stay overnight at her sister's home. Yeah. They want to stay overnight in the small apartment. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use overnight in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy, when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.